Hello everyone, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz and welcome to day 3 of our Beachbody Ready Week. And today we are talking about tanning products. Now I've got 3 that I want to showcase, and starting with my favorite self-tanner, and that is the Jergens Natural Glow. It is so easy, it's affordable. You can get it at Walmart, Walgreens, any of your box stores, and they come in lots of different shades as far as your skin tone. Just to make it, match closer, and it works in a matter of minutes. And the second thing I want to talk about is, of course, if you are a sun bunny like myself, I like the tan intensifiers. And what that means is you can be in the sun for 5 minutes. It seems like it's 20. It helps you get a tan faster. And my favorite product is the Australian Gold Tan Intensifier, and I just love the smell, and it works so well. And this comes in either lotion or oil. Now, the third product that I want to talk to you about today is my Goddess Spray. And what I mean by that is this is Beauty Control's Nutri-Rich Body Satin. And it comes kind of in a iridescent spray. And all you do is shake it up. You can spray it on your face, arms, legs. It is so easy. You can even reach the back of your legs. Just be sure and hold it upright. And it provides an iridescent glow that almost shimmers in the light. You guys probably can't see it on the video, but in person you will be able to tell a difference, and it will make even the pastiest skin look golden, goddessy, and bronzy. And in the summer, isn't that what we're all after anyway? That's the whole point of getting a tan, right? Now, as far as the PDF instructions on the website at kimsbeautybiz.com every day, there's printable, downloadable instructions that you can keep for future use. The instructions are how to apply self-tanner for the best results. And this is kind of what we used to do in the salon and what I tell customers and clients. But I just want to show you a few tools that I use for the exfoliation. Before you apply any self-tanner, you have got to shower as usual and exfoliate to get all the dead skin off, because if you don't, it's going to show. But this is my handy dandy loofah tool, and as you can see, it's pretty big, which helps to scrub the back, get your legs without really, you can get in the hardest places. It's all natural loofah sponge, and it works great. Now, for everyday use, you can still use the shower kind of puffy thing, but once a week for exfoliation, self-tanners or not, but especially for self-tanning, I recommend a loofah or some kind of harder substance to really get off all the dead skin. Now, be sure and check out kimsbeautybiz.com for all the videos in our video series this week. We're now on day 3. Day 1 and 2 are already on the website. So you guys, please check it out at kimsbeautybiz.com. Hope you have a wonderful summer. I'm trying to get you guys excited like I am. And always remember, much love.